Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and I hope you will be fine today. Today in this video we will discuss few topics. We will be organize small home garden at home. Before starting a video, please subscribe my channel. Let's move to our today topic. First option is set up a gardening station. Create a spot dedicated to potting and trimming your outdoor plants. At the best part, this table is made from a few galvanized barrels and an old wooden door. Second is build a pallet garden. Attach clay pots to a pallet with nails and stainless steel cable ties for a living art display that keeps your rosemary and basil at the ready. Space out the pots so your plants have room to grow. Next is fill a pergola with greens. Grow your garden vertically by trailing plants up the sides of a pergola fence or outdoor wall. English white potatoes and Russian vines are a few great choices. Next, crop colorful plants markers. Keep your garden organized so harvesting remains quick and easy. Crop your own plants makers using wooden paint sticks and some acrylic paint. Added bonus, this is the perfect crop for kids. Next is turn a barrel into a pond. Make use of an old whiskey barrel and create your own backyard pond. A great alternative if you don't have space for a real one. Add your water plants, lily pads, of course, and even a few small fish. Next is mix is vibrant chairs. Outfitting a small space does not mean you have to settle for drab furniture. The bigger the better is the way to go to bring your outdoor area to life. Turn colanders into planters. Hang spring flowers in brightly colored colanders for an unexpected porch updated. Create a living wall. If you don't have floor space to display out your plants, mount pots onto the exterior of your house. Here interior designer Vision sticks with terracotta pots, but you can also go for bold patterns and colors. Embrace container gardening. Green up your patio or deck with oversized terracotta or plastic planters overflowing with anything from tomatoes to window wildflowers. The lush lineup here creates a pretty privacy wall. Optional for a vertical herb garden. Whether you have a small yard or lack outdoor space, altogether a vertical garden can be a charming addition. You can create one on your own with landscape fabric and copper pipe. Try square foot gardening. This highly efficient method divides raised beds into a grid. Vegetables then get planted in one or more squares at a density based on plant size. You had planted about 6 radish seeds per square, but only one tomato plant. DIY a double function with just a few supplies, including a submersible pump, a waterproof pot, and decorative river rocks. You can make your garden more zen with an eye-catching DIY bubble function. Put up a vertical planter. Note 1: only does this DIY take up less surface area than multiple pots on the ground wall, but it can also serve as a privacy fence for nosy neighbors. Assemble an herb garden. There's something special about an orderly display of potted plants, especially when they are in vibrant colors that showcase the beauty of the season. Upcycle an old ladder. Turn a wooden ladder into a space-saving stand for flowers, veggies, and herbs with just a few boards and a coat of paint. Let climbing vines take over. Covered with ivy, a frail-free fence acts as a natural privacy barrier to shield a patio or garden from view. Make a fairy garden. Think small, really small with this adorable project, outfitted with a mini birdhouse, rustic stones, and teeny tiny accessories. This planter is a fun craft to make these kids. Hang outdoor lighting. Elevate any outdoor gathering with globe-stirring lights, whether you choose to hang them on a fence or under pergola. Repurpose shutters, lean lowers old or new against an exterior wall and fill slots with hardy plants such as succulents or mosses. Succulents are nearly indestructible but can get scorched in direct sunlight, so put them on the shady side of your home. Use a bird bath as a succulent garden. Hardy succulents which store water in their stems and leaves will thrive in a shallow bird bath perch. Add pebbles to hold more moisture in the soil. Make the most of combining planting, placing flowers and veggies together of chemicals in your garden to fight pests is important. Also, you can option to use organic pest control methods only. To incorporate botanical insecticide or to apply synthetic pesticides. Please guys, enjoy this video at the end, and please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest video. Please tell to watch the end. Guys, next is flower gardening. From annuals to perennial, flower gardening can be a word unto itself. With there, you are starting flowers from seed, installing flowering plants to add a splash of color and presently to your landscape, or just trying to understand the difference between annuals and perennials. Give your garden the best possible start by checking out the flower gardening tips below. Guys, next is finding a gardening gear. Finding smart resources for better gardening is something we take very seriously here at Growing a Greener World. From the annual list of the best of the must haves podcast products that course your paths nearly every day, we are constantly on the lookout to bring more valuable, innovative solutions to make your gardening life as enjoyable and productive as possible. Check out some of the products that have piqued our interest along the way. Guys, please subscribe my channel and give a like and leave a comment for our better guideline and full watch video till to end. Next is insects and pests. A beautiful garden usually attracts more than an impressed neighbor only horse. After planting, you may find that pests are just as taken with your garden as you are. Although there is no way to eliminate pests altogether, there are several things you can do to cut down on the number of unwanted visitors to your garden, from integrated pest management, botanical insecticides, organic and synthetic pesticides, and insecticides to barrier numerous pest deterrents can be easily purchased or made. The next option is landscaping. Creating a beautiful landscape can sometimes seem like an impossible task, yet, although many landscape designs do require a large commitment of time, there are simple things everyone can to do improve crop appeal. There are a few design tips you can to do make your yard the envy of the neighborhood. New viewers, please subscribe my channel and leave a comment and give a like for our better guideline and full watch video at the end. Next option is organic gardening. The use of natural products to improve the soil and fight pests and disease are all part of organic gardening basics. By eliminating man-made and synthetic products from your gardening, you can create a safe and biodynamic garden. Learn why soil amendments like compost, manure, and natural fertilizers are better choices. Guys, next is seasonal gardening. No matter where you live, gardening can be a year-round activity. Even in those parts of the country where winter snow blankets the ground, Gardeners are busy planning for spring and tending to plants or seedling indoor. Fall colors can be every bit as stunning as a beautiful spring border. Meanwhile, the height of gardening session, summer presents its own set to challenges. These gardening articles will teach and inspire you no matter what the session. Next is trees and shrubs. Whether you are looking for color, fragrance, fruit for your table, or simple a fast feast for the eyes, trees and shrubs can fit the bill. Trees and shrubs are vital to any well balanced garden. They add height and depth and create just the right punctuations when needed. They are available in every size and shape and include evergreens and delicious varieties. Their care and maintenance can be a bit different than that for your landscape plants or white garden. These articles will help you get the most out of the trees and shrubs in your landscape. Guys, this video last part of vegetable gardening. You don't need a green tub or an variant to store bought weeds to enjoy your own home vegetable green garden. If you have ever tasted a freshly picked heirloom tomato or any homegrown vegetable, you know there's nothing better. Whether you are just starting a vegetable garden or looking to dig deeper, you will find plenty to helpful information here, from a vegetable gardening overview to organic vegetable gardening, harvesting techniques, pest and disease control, and much more. If you like stay tuned and see you in our next video. God bless you. Thank you so much.